Never say no, auto, we say yes!
Make a great choice today with the 2018 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, alloy wheels, rear quarter windows, power, traction control, stability control, sports suspension, daytime running lights, remote engine start, fog lights, ambient lighting. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.
Come see us at Never Say No Auto in Springfield on Glenstone across from Evangel, or in Bolivar, 1 block south of Walmart.
Never say no, auto.